guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm at the Manila Zoo again. What's that?
Ooh. What's the name of the animal?
This time I have my friend.
Yes.
Mama, look what I find!
What is that?
This is a reindeer.
Reindeer over there? Ooh. Wow.
A bird. Reindeer. This is...
Oh, look. They
Oh.
swim.
Oh my God, is that the zebra? Whoa.
Oh yeah, little zebra.
Okay, let's go find another animal.
Look, where? White tiger.
What I do, Mama? Sleeping.
Yeah. Let's go. See another animal.
Turtle?
Yeah, we'll check.
Mama, what's the turtle?
Over there.
Actually, I'm a big fan of Michael Jackson.
Bara, look. Lion.
Oh, they're so aggressive. They're so aggressive. Let's go find a turtle. Oh, he's back. He's back. Let's go.
Good.
This time I'm wearing Sonic hat. What's this way?
It's a bird.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Manila Zoo. We're gonna see alligator and a turtle, every animal. Look at this glass. Look, Mama, look. Because of the alligator, cracked the glass. Ooh, what's that? What's that?
Ooh, Bara, the alligator over there.
Huh?
There's a big alligator.
Where?
There.
Oh my God! No, what about if that alligator bite them? What are they up to?
They want to. The alligator want to take a bath.
Ah, mereka tuh udah memakan tadi itu. Mabok.
Oh, this snapping turtle, bar. Oh, you see the snapping turtle. Let's go, Bara. Let's go. Go there. No, no. Follow Mama.
Kembali lagi ke sana.
Yes, we already there.
Katanya kemana mereka?
Reptile. Here, here. Reptile here.
Bara kan gak pernah kesini.
What's that?
Oh tadi ada anak sisimu.
They're on the playground.
It's very ad. This is snake, reptile. Later, bro.
Baby alligator. He's looking at me. Is there? Oh, Papa, is there any hedgehog?
No, no.
Look, Papa is trying to.
Yes, we're trying to climb. Let's go.
Where's the snake?
Alvin.